But if you close your eyes.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long.
Alright guys, so we're going to try and repair this tyre that went flat the other day. We've got our tyre repair kit here. It's fairly simple if you haven't used it before. It's probably a good thing to have. We've just got to clean the hole up a bit. Just give it a bit of a clean to get rid of any bits and pieces in that hole. Just like that. The kit comes with these black rubber lug bits there. Yeah. All we need to do, get that in there. All we do, we've got that on there like that now. Look at that lug in there, in between the inserter. Just stick it in the hole. Pretty firm, all the way. Hold this bit down here and pull this out. That's it. You get a little bit of stuff left over here, you can just chop that off. And then what we'll do is we'll inflate this tyre back up to proper road highway pressures and just see if it holds. But that's as easy as it is.
Confidence, I'm blaming all your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right.
Yo, we got it going on, got it going on. Don't it feel so good to be us?